Detection is proud to release its latest product enhancement, Fieldlink for Analysis. In this video, we'll cover how to install our mobile product Fieldlink, how to configure it, and finally, how to enter analysis data. Let's get right into this. If using an iOS device, start by opening the App Store. Once open, search for DT Fieldlink. Once you find it, install and open the application. Note that if you don't have an iOS device, you can also run Fieldlink from Chrome or Safari. Now that we have Fieldlink installed, let's open it up and configure it. Enter fieldlink.detection.com in the text box. This part of the process lets Fieldlink know how to configure the application for you. Now that Fieldlink knows what application you're running, we need to enter our email address that's been associated to your Enalysis account. Once we enter our email address, we now need to wait for Fieldlink to send authorization codes to allow us access to the system. Note the authorization code in that email, and enter that authorization code in the given text box. Fieldlink will now configure itself to show you the assets that are only applicable to you. Give this process about a minute or so. This should only happen on your initial boot up of Fieldlink. Now you're ready to enter an analysis report. Select Assets to first find our asset. Here, you'll be greeted with a screen that you can filter for your asset, or you'll see a list of assets which are sorted by the distance to you. Select the asset, and then select Field Data Capture, Field Data Entry, and now we can enter the data. We've broken the entry into multiple sections. First is an overview where you can enter things such as hours. Second is updating maintenance intervals. Third is our running conditions where we can enter things such as speed and boost. And lastly, our operating conditions, where you can enter things on our cylinders such as temperatures and pressures. When you're ready to go, start entering your values. You can use the down arrow to move to the next value to help speed up your process. If you change the cylinder configuration since the last report, make sure to hit Update Cylinder Configuration to update your pocket, spacers, or configuration. The application is also built to enter data for screw compressors. Once you've entered all the values, hit Save. The next step is to sync this to Analysis. Press Home to go back to the main menu. If you are working offline in a remote location, you can close the app once you complete the data entry and open the app at a later time to sync your data. Otherwise, if you're connected to a network, Fieldlink will sync at routine interval. Or you can hit Sync to send your data to Analysis right away. In this case, let's sync right away to get our data to Analysis as soon as possible. Once you've successfully synced your device, an analysis report should be generated within minutes. This enhancement is one more step we're taking to enable the digital oil field. If you have any questions, please contact our engineering support team. Thank you.